Alright, thanks for joining me today. You've probably seen those ads all over TikTok and Facebook. A slick video with Oprah's voice, a mysterious pink salt trick recipe, and a promise that you can melt away belly fat without giving up pizza or ice cream. I'm here to talk about lean drops, the product at the center of this whole thing, and why everything about it screams scam. Let me walk you through what I found, what these ads are really doing, and why you should stop scrolling and think twice before you hand over any money. When I first saw the lean drops ad, a woman's voice started talking about how she went from struggling with her weight to effortlessly dropping pounds with this secret pink salt plus ice recipe. Right away, I noticed something weird. The voice sounded a lot like Oprah, but not exactly. The lip movements didn't match the audio. That's because they're using deepfake technology to manipulate both the video and the sound, making it look like a major celebrity is endorsing the product. They want you to think your favorite TV host is backing this miracle cure, but it's all fake. They'll tell you this recipe has gone viral, with 21 million views and thousands of women sharing their amazing results. You'll hear about Sarah, who supposedly lost over 20 pounds in 3 weeks, all while eating pizza and drinking hot chocolate every day. It sounds too good to be true because it is. There is no viral recipe. There's no Oprah behind it. Instead, you get a slick sales funnel that ends in a dropper bottle of lean drops, pills that they claim are made from 3 secret ingredients hiding in your fridge. Those ingredients never appear. All you get is a subscription trap and an empty promise. As you watch the video, they'll drop names like Johns Hopkins, Harvard, the National Institutes of Health, as if these respected institutions have done the research to back up this trick. But again, it's all fabricated. Scammers slap logos on the page, quotation marks around medical jargon, and bogus citations to make it look legit. They even mention GLP-1 and GIP hormones, yes, the same ones that modern weight loss drugs target, and claim you can naturally activate those hormones with just a pinch of pink salt and a handful of ice cubes. They make it sound scientific, but real endocrinologists will tell you that's not how hormone regulation works. I dug deeper into the experts they show. There's a Dr. Casey Means figure, talking about her breakthrough fat-burning hack. But if you search her name alongside lean drops, you won't find any credible interviews or recognized medical journals. That's because she's either a complete invention or a deepfake actor reading a fake script. No legitimate doctor or nutritionist has ever endorsed this lean drops product. When you scroll down the sales page, you'll see 100% best quality, FDA-approved, and 60-day money-back guarantee. But let's be real. Money-back guarantees on scam products are meaningless. They're worded so that most people can never actually get a refund. The fine print will tie you up in hoops, call centers never pick up, and you'll end up stuck. Now let's talk about price. They'll lure you in by saying it's only $23 to watch the exclusive video tutorial, or that you can get a single bottle for under $50. But right when you add it to your cart, they'll push a 3 or 6 bottle package, and suddenly you're looking at hundreds of dollars charged every month. That's a classic subscription model. They know most people won't notice the recurring charges on their credit cards. Or if they do, it'll be after a few cycles. And good luck trying to cancel. They bury the cancellation link, change email addresses, and often disappear when you call. You'll also see a flood of testimonials, with women claiming they lost 27 pounds in 2 weeks, 52 pounds in 3 months, all without changing their routines. They'll show before and after photos that look almost identical. Same lighting, same shirt, maybe just a Photoshop nudge here or there. All the comments on the page are fake. They're generated by bots or paid low-wage workers who post under fake names. None of it is trustworthy. These people are not real, and their stories are not real. Behind the scenes, the people running lean drops are spending big on ad targeting. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, buying data on people who have clicked on weight loss content before. They know exactly how to tweak the ad language to catch your eye, mention a celebrity, promise a quick fix, tease mysterious 3 forgotten ingredients, and boom, you're hooked. It's Psychology 101. The more desperate you feel to lose weight, the more likely you are to ignore the red flags and click that Learn More button. Let's be clear, there is no pink salt trick recipe. The only thing you're going to get at the end of that funnel is a bottle of lean drops, which contains cheap fillers and maybe a dash of salt-based minerals that do absolutely nothing for your metabolism. If you want to lose weight, the only proven methods are a balanced diet, consistent exercise, and, if necessary, guidance from a qualified medical professional. No magic salt and ice combination is going to override your body's fundamental energy balance. Now I know some of you might be thinking, okay, maybe it's not Oprah, but what if some people did see results? Sure, maybe a handful of people could lose a little weight if they change their habits at the same time. Maybe hearing a motivational hack gave them the push to eat better or move more. But you don't need lean drops for that. You need sustainable lifestyle changes. You need support, accountability, and yes, a little patience. Scams like this prey on impatience and insecurity. They promise a shortcut around the hard work of healthy living. They promise you can eat pizza, ice cream, and apple pie every day, all while your body automatically melts away fat. But anyone who has studied weight management knows that calories in versus calories out is the basic principle. No salt recipe is going to bypass that truth. So here's what I want you to do. If you see an ad for lean drops or any pink salt trick recipe, don't click. Don't enter your name or email. Don't hand over your credit card. Instead, close the tab, hit the back button, and move on. If you're serious about losing weight, talk to a trusted healthcare professional, find a registered dietitian, join a fitness group, use apps that track your progress. None of that is as sexy as a quick salt hack, but it actually works. I also recommend sharing this video with friends or family members who you know are bombarded with these ads. A lot of folks fall for this because it looks so official, so high production value, and who wouldn't trust Oprah? But remember, deepfake technology is getting more sophisticated every day. If someone looks or sounds like a celebrity, always double check. Go to the celebrity's official channels, their website, their social media. If they aren't talking about it there, they aren't talking about it at all. Before I wrap up, let me address the so-called money-back guarantee one more time. Even if you somehow manage to jump through all the hoops and get a refund, what have you really gained? You've wasted time, money, and mental energy chasing a fantasy. That's time you could have spent making real progress, cooking a healthy meal, going for a walk, getting a good night's sleep. Those are the things that move the needle. In summary, Lean Drops is a scam built on fake celebrity endorsements, manipulated videos, bogus medical claims, and sneaky subscription traps. The pink salt trick recipe doesn't exist. No respected medical institution backs it. No real doctor endorses it. It's a marketing illusion designed to part you from your money. Don't fall for it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. That's the little thumbs up down below, so YouTube knows to show it to more people. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already, so you get notified whenever I post. Leave a comment if you have questions about this or any other sketchy health product you've seen online. I read every comment and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching and staying informed. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, no shortcut beats honest effort and good advice from real experts. Stay safe out there.